One other thing you mentioned on that was about the benefits to OEMs. If you don't mind, I'd like to dive into that a little more deeper. Beyond the technology issues we've been discussing surrounding open systems use in industry, what about the business side benefits? And, since you mentioned OEMs, let's, start with that. From an OEM's perspective, how can this be used to expand an OEM's business opportunities?
Yeah, so the this platform really provides a big punch in a highly integrated and simplified solution. This really drives a high feature set at a lower cost of ownership, lower cost of reduced BOM cost. Really, because the OS that is the PLC that runs the PLC also enables you to do a lot more with that OS than just be a PLC, and it does it in a way that simplifies the platform. So years ago, it used to be that if you wanted a platform that was cloud connected, you'd have your PLC platform, but then you'd have to buy a gateway, or you'd have to buy a cellular modem, and then you'd have to buy some kind of firewall device. Today, with UOS, since it is a cloud connected OS, we incorporate a lot of those individual parts and pieces in software modules that reside on the PLC itself. So you get a lot of bang for your buck there with a very reduced BOM cost. In addition, since UOS is built from the ground up, it's really built as a connectivity platform that allows a high level of this integration and adoption for many of the Industry 4.0 benefits. And this is all into a PLC that offers traditional, discrete, and process level control, as well as providing a state-of-the-art VPN level security, and really a missing piece that a lot of companies still don't have for their remotely deployed assets, and that is the idea of fleet management and edge management, where you can remotely administer and control and maintain, diagnose, troubleshoot an individual edge device on your platform, as well as all of your remotely deployed devices. So fleet management allows you in one really central location, one single pane of glass to see how your machines are operating, what the health of those machines are, if they're online, offline, and really get a very quick glimpse of how well your fleet is performing. Yeah, so let's take problem detection as an example. So with UOS's ability to host and run third-party applications, imagine installing a data aggregation application alongside Code Assist on a PLC. With the ability of inherent data aggregation in a PLC, the OEM can continuously gather metric information about their remotely deployed product in a way that enables them to see and detect problems and trends in their equipment. So you have basically your core control algorithm that's running your piece of equipment, and then you could just load a third-party application that maybe is an analytic that does really good at problem detection, and that analytic can coexist with the control algorithm, collecting data, sending that data up into the cloud, allowing you to see trends in your equipment portfolio, to be able to detect early problems and rectify those problems, as well as optimize your program remotely and update your program in a way that you can address those problems locally at the edge. With that detection, with detection comes prediction, and with prediction, the OEM can better determine issues before they become downtime events, and also provides them with solution intuition that puts the right part on the truck before they deploy to site. This results in, of course, a lot less windshield time. Resources can cover more customers, more territory, and it results in a lot less wasted time and money for the OEM.